Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have lost your iPhone, or the worst part is that it's been stolen and it is switched off. The screen is black, there is no signal, and you are probably thinking, that's it's gone. But what if I told you that you can still track an iPhone even when it is turned off? In today's video, I will show you exactly how to locate an iPhone that's powered off using Apple's Find My network and a few smart settings. I will be covering how Apple tracks powered off iPhone using nearby devices, what settings needs to be enabled before your phone goes missing, and what you can still do after the phone is lost. So this method works on all the iPhone iOS 15 and newer, including the latest iPhone 15, and supports features that were built specifically for this situation. So if you want to protect your device and give yourself the best chance of recovering a lost or stolen iPhone, keep watching. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned down in the description box below. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we need to understand how Find My works when iPhone is off. So since iOS 15, Apple introduced a feature where iPhones can still transmit their location even when the power is off. So here is how. Your iPhone turns into a low power tracking beacon. It uses Find My network and it relies on nearly Apple devices like iPhones or iPads to update its location securely. This means that you can still get location updates even if the battery dies or the phone is switched off. But for this to work, there are certain settings that must be enabled before the phone goes missing, and that's where we will be covering next. So in order to enable Find My iPhone or the offline finding things, you will have to just go to the settings of your device. In your settings, you will have to tap on the Find My option. For that, you can use the search bar, and here in the search bar you can search for Find My location. Over here you need to enable Find My iPhone and Find My network and send the last location. So you need to allow Apple to track your device offline, use other iPhone nearby to help locate it, and automatically send your last known location when your battery is low. So here is the tip: you can leave these settings on permanently, so they use very little battery, but it can save your phone. So in the third step, you need to track a switched off iPhone using another device. So if your iPhone is lost and it is turned off, here is how you can track it. So you need to launch another Apple device. It can be iPhone, it can be iPad or Mac, and then you need to open the Find My application. If that app is not available, you just have to open your app store, and from here you need to just download and install Find My application. Then you need to tap on the open button in order to launch it, and it should look something like this. Now over here you need to just log in into your Apple ID, and here you will see the devices option. So here you will see the information about your iPhone, and you need to select the lost iPhone or the lost device from this list. If it is offline, the tracking is not working. It will show the last known location and sometimes even the current location if nearby Apple devices have picked up its signal. Now from the screen you can play a sound if it is turned on again, and you can even mark it as lost. You can erase the device remotely if necessary. So here are some of the bonus tips that you need to keep in mind for better protection of your iPhone. First of all, you need to turn on the activation lock. This happens automatically when Find My is enabled. So this is going to prevent anyone from using your iPhone even if they reset it. Second thing that you can do is you can simply use AirTags or a smart case. You can attach an AirTag to your bag, or you can use a tracking compatible phone case for added peace of mind. You can report to authorities as well if your phone was stolen. You can report it to the local law enforcement with the serial number that found in the setting and the general tab. You can also find it on the top of the original box of your iPhone, and these are some of the methods that you can use in order to find your device find your iPhone if it is turned off. You can also follow the same step without the Find My application. For that, you need to launch your Safari web browser, and here you need to search for iCloud.com. Once you search for it, you will be on this page where you need to tap on the sign in option. Here you need to provide your Apple ID that is linked to your lost iPhone. Then select the lost devices from the list, and if the offline tracking is not working, it is most probably going to show you the last location or the current location if there is any Apple device nearby. So you can also use this method in order to find your device. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, iOS features and mobile security guides. If you have any questions or if you need any further help setting up your Find My, you can even drop a comment and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.